If your spreadsheets, dashboards, and data reports are becoming a complete mess, this AI platform might be exactly what your workflow needs in 2026. Today, we are reviewing Hex, an AI-powered data analytics and business intelligence platform that is becoming very popular among startups, data teams, analysts, and even engineers who want a faster and more collaborative way to work with data. Hex combines SQL, Python notebooks, dashboards, AI tools, and interactive data apps into one single workspace, which is one of the biggest reasons so many modern companies are starting to pay attention to it. Instead of switching between coding tools, BI dashboards, spreadsheets, and reporting software, Hex tries to bring everything together into one platform where teams can analyze data, build reports, and collaborate more efficiently. One thing that immediately stands out is how modern the interface feels compared to traditional business intelligence tools. The platform supports SQL queries, Python code, charts, dashboards, and even interactive applications that can be shared with teammates or clients. Another major feature is the built-in AI assistant that helps users generate SQL queries, explain code, summarize results, and speed up data analysis workflows without needing to manually write everything from scratch. This is especially useful for teams that want to move faster without spending hours debugging queries or formatting reports. A lot of users online also seem to love the notebook-style workflow because it combines the flexibility of coding with the simplicity of dashboards, making collaboration between analysts and business teams much easier. From the reviews and community feedback I found online, many users describe Hex as one of the most modern and polished analytics platforms available right now. People often praise the clean interface, real-time collaboration tools, and the ability to mix technical analysis with visual reporting inside the same workspace. Some users also mention that the AI features genuinely save time during repetitive analytics tasks like writing SQL or exploring datasets. Startups and fast-growing companies especially seem to like how quickly teams can build dashboards and share insights without relying on multiple disconnected tools. But to keep this review honest, there are still some downsides you should know about. First, Hex is definitely more technical than beginner-friendly dashboard tools like Tableau or Power BI, so users without coding or analytics experience may need some time to fully understand the platform. Some users also mention that advanced workflows can become expensive for larger teams depending on pricing plans and usage needs. And while the AI features are helpful, they still require human review because AI-generated queries or analysis can occasionally produce mistakes or incomplete insights. Overall, though, Hex looks like one of the strongest AI-powered analytics and business intelligence platforms in 2026 because it successfully combines coding, dashboards, collaboration, and AI tools into one modern system. If you work with data regularly and want a more flexible alternative to traditional BI software, Hex is definitely worth checking out. If you want to try the platform yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI tool you want me to review.